Hello everyone, I'm Sandra and I'm here to talk about the courses that I'm launching with Coursecraft. I'll start with a crochet for beginners where you're gonna learn all the basics to start any project, and every course that you see will have a goal. Every course will have a project from beginning to end. So obviously you can add your own creativity in terms of details or colors, color matching, and these kind of things. But I'm gonna be doing together from beginning to an end, to the end, everything. For example, a clutch. I'm gonna teach you how to make a clutch. After you get all the structure, how to build it, you can make your own creation. Okay, you can add up your details that you like, or everything, colored material from your region in the world. That's the idea. Okay, I've learned this craft as a child with my mom, my grandmother, and by myself. That time with no internet, I learned from magazines, I guess. I don't remember much, but I learned and I love it. Also, you're gonna see that my course is homemade. What do I mean? I'm gonna make it everything from scratch. The videos, cuts with me sometimes, or videos not so professional because I'm not a professional in this area. I am a teacher myself. And then so what happened is, I want to show you that you can do it. You can learn by yourself. You can develop ideas, okay? I'm not a professional in the industry of course making, but this is what I want to show you, that homemade things can be amazing and that we can do it. So I think this can-do attitude is for everything in life. Okay, so I'm not gonna ask you sorry about my mistakes, about my videos. No, that's the purpose, how to show you that I'm learning another art. The same way you'll be learning crocheting and knitting, I'm learning editing, making things. So that's the idea. We can excel in everything we really want to in our lives. Okay, so guys, see you around and I hope you love my courses.